Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Kenton on Sea, South Africa for R4,600,000. This house is on 3 levels, starting with the driveway which has 2 double garages and a side driveway. Another side entrance for staff with outside toilet facility. Full alarm system monitored with security company 1 minute away. The main entrance is between the garages up steps which leads to the swimming pool area and huge patio. There are balustrades all around the area. 5 minutes from the beach, 2 minutes to shops and restaurants. The first level consists of 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all facing the pool area and the ocean. All bedrooms have ceiling fans, wall heaters and Bics. The next level 2 up central staircase to the main open-plan lounge with fireplace, dining, kitchen area which leads off to Brian garden area. All folding stack-away doors which can be fully opened either side. There is underfloor heating plus air conditioning. Scullery leads off kitchen and to side driveway. DSTV dish. Third level outside bar and boma leading to cottage with separate toilet, full bath and outside shower. Underfloor heating and air conditioning, also outside patio area. There is a 75,000-litre water tank underground piped into the house as an alternative water supply. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.